Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to Phoenix, Arizona, and welcome to another video. It is currently September and it is actually really nice weather. It's finally starting to cool off. I don't have any parts, nothing super exciting today, but I thought it'd be cool to get the Z out, take a little cruise. I'm probably gonna go grab my buddy Jordan. He's got a Lotus Elise, so I'm gonna go grab him quick, and then I think we're gonna head up to Roosevelt Dam to check it out because neither of us have ever been there, and it's only like, well, I think it's like a 2-hour drive, but it's, I don't know how many miles. Here's how many miles it is. Anyways, I'm gonna go grab him, and then we'll head out to Roosevelt, do a little point of view driving today. Hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, bro.
Ready?
I'm ready. Bro. Everyone meet Jake.
Hey, what's up?
I totally missed our little rev battle in the driveway. We'll go to Dunkin' Donuts.
Okay.
All right. We made it to Roosevelt Lake. If you look behind me, you'll see the Theodore Roosevelt Bridge. We overshot the dam, which is on the other side of this bridge. So we're gonna head back and try and check out the dam, I guess. Ooh, yeah. Welcome to Roosevelt Dam. Some of you guys on there like, that's Hoover Dam. Nope, it's not. Hoover's in Nevada. Arizona, Nevada state line. A little bit of the inner workings. Take in a little water from the lake, send it down a shaft, throw it down here to a turbine for some power, kick it out the bottom, like so. So sweet. Man, signs like this always intrigue me. This would get you on top of the dam. I think I hear bats. For sure I hear bats. Look at that. Hey! Echo!
Hey Jesse, go open that door.
It's got a lock on it.
Ah.
Leaving Roosevelt Dam. Well, the dam and the lake and the bridge were all super sweet, but we're all a little sunbeat right now, so it's time to head home. All right, guys, I think that will do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the point of view drive up to Roosevelt Dam. It was a good time today with Jordan. I'm not sure if I'll put it in the video or not. There is one clip where he kind of pulled on me. In fairness to the Z, his Lotus is supercharged, so just want you guys to know it's not a stock Lotus out we were up against today. So stay tuned to the channel if you guys are liking what you see. Got some parts on the way, just ordered them. Bloop, real quick sneak peek there. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for more. I'll catch you in the next one.